Hello everybody, and today we have a enhanced threat across really parts of that kind of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and parts of Texas. All that corner right there, all those corners, is where we're going to see a big threat today. We're going to see storms developing in Oklahoma and then traveling to the southeast. And so we could see some pop-ups in parts of Texas too, which is why that's extended into Texas. So we are going to do a briefing, so if you want to listen to that, that's going to go more in depth on what to expect today down in the enhanced area. And then across Florida is kind of tail end of that big wave of that outbreak that had occurred 2 and 3 days ago, and that is going to be just kind of tail edge of that energy traveling through. So there is a chance that there could be a tornado in there. There's a slight threat, but really just expecting some damaging winds, some big hail potentially. So looking at your temperatures across the nation for today, we have temperatures that are very warm, up in the 50s and 60s almost the entire country. Luckily for you in the Northeast, you are experiencing some of those low 50s, maybe 40s at the lowest, but you are kind of warming up. And then everybody pretty much south of Kansas is experiencing temperatures 70 and higher, so it's going to be a very nice day overall. And that's what we can expect really for your temperatures and your categorical, because it's going to be kind of a similar day looking at severe threats and what's being kind of punched through temperature wise. So looking at your composite reflectivity today, we are seeing that those storms are making their way through Florida, kind of like a squall line type of thing, so it's damaging winds. And as we go through the afternoon into the evening, we see some big storms developing. It looks like along the dry line there that is going to be forming, and we'll look and see what's going on with those, but the big severity is going to be occurring right around 7 to 9 p.m. is where the strongest storms are going to be total, all the way from Kansas clear down to Texas. But really, we do see these developing right around dinner time is where our highest threat is. So you'll have to check our briefing again to see what all is going on with those storms. But across the nation today, some pop-up showers, and then up in kind of the northern plains, you can expect some showers to pop up there too. It's not out of the question for a thunderstorm or two up there in kind of the Dakotas, but no doubt it is going to be a severe day in the kind of middle to southern plains. So, thank you for listening to today's forecast. If you want to join us tomorrow for the weekend forecast, you can do that. You stay tuned to Twitter for the updates on that. And then join us for our briefing where we're going to go in depth and look at basically what is going on with that system in the plains and why is it enhanced, and basically what makes it so severe. And we're going to dive into the chance of tornadoes and everything else involved with the severity of these storms. Thank you all again, and have a safe day.